When I started working, right, it was a long time ago, about 17, 18 years ago now. I had a first job myself, like you were making 27,000, notwithstanding inflation back then. I think my pay must have been 8,000 rupees a month or something like that. Where you live and how you live kind of defines how much money you need to earn. So first advise, if you can work from home and you're living in an expensive city like Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore, it might be prudent to go out and explore a tier 2 town, move back to cities which are not as expensive. Because you take away that proximity to the office that you work in, and if you can work from somewhere else, I think it's good both for you from your kind of cost of living to the kind of lifestyle that you want to have perspective, but also in terms of the environment. Like I think this urbanization and so many people living in cities is not boding well for cities.
Right.
So that would be one tip. I think if you can work from home, pick a city, pick a location, or pick a town which is more efficient, and your money goes the farthest there.
Right.
Uh, 12 lakh rupees, if you're a 27-year-old guy, I'm guessing your appetite for risk is significant, and you're probably going to see an uptick in how much money you make, at least in the next decade. I'm fairly conservative, a little bit of a pessimist when it comes to investing. So I would say put something like 20-30% of your income in equity. Maybe put another 30 or 40% in asset classes which don't have too much risk. It could be gold, it could be fixed income, it could be tax-free bonds, corporate debt, stuff like that. And the balance, I think, should be a mixture of maybe some real estate and some kind of a liquid saving which you can have access to at any point of time. COVID happened and it showed us all why arbitrary money which is not liquid and you can't access at any point of time, is not as useful as money that is at hand. And I think everybody needs to account for those emergencies and keep a fund like that.